If you're just starting out as a freelancer, listen up. The right tools can make or break your business. Here are the must-haves for thriving remotely in 2025. Let's kick things off with Notion. It's more than just a note-taking app. It's your all-in-one workspace. From project planning to tracking invoices, Notion helps you organize everything in one sleek dashboard. Next up, we've got Trello. If you love visual planning, Trello's card system is a game-changer for managing deadlines, clients, and tasks. Plus, it integrates with everything from Google Drive to Slack. Speaking of Slack, that's tool number 3. Forget endless email chains. With Slack, you can chat with clients, join project channels, and share files instantly. It keeps your communication smooth and your projects moving. Number 4, Toggle. Time tracking is a must for freelancers, and Toggle makes it simple. Just click to start or stop the timer and get detailed reports so you know exactly where your hours and your money are going. And finally, Payoneer. Getting paid from clients around the world? Payoneer makes cross-border payments fast and painless, with lower fees than most traditional banks. So to recap, Notion for organization, Trello for planning, Slack for communication, Toggle for time tracking, and Payoneer for payments. These tools can help you work smarter, not harder. Ready to take your freelancing to the next level? Try these out and thank yourself later. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more freelancing tips.